Welcome back to Halftime Report on CNBC-TV18. Nifty has moved up from when we started the show, right? 24,630. Around that when we started the show was Nifty trading at that. Now look at it. Bit of an increase that we've seen in the last half an hour. 24,676. Bank Nifty has also seen an up move. But today is expiry day. So what are we keeping an eye out on in the world of F&O? Mangalam is joining us from the F&O desk now to give us all these details.
Well, at the start of the show, we pointed out that, there is a possibility that Nifty does go higher in today's trading session if there are no further declines that we see on the frontline index. And the reason for that was that both its, important verticals, the Nifty Bank as well as the Nifty IT index, were both doing well. They were up around 1/3% about 15-20 minutes ago. Now they are increased their up move to about 0.5%. So that's a positive. The other thing that we're looking at ahead of expiry is that the advanced decline, while it's at an even keel, we do have a fair amount of stocks which are in the green with fairly well bid numbers as well. So we'll talk about those individual stocks and pockets in just a bit. Ahead of expiry, the India VIX is higher. Now that the market has seen a bit of a recovery, the first port of call on the way up would be today's high, 24,732, and thereafter would be the yesterday high number, which is 24,791. So those are important levels we'll watch out for further short covering on the index. Now, the stocks which are fairly well bid outside of the IT and auto pack are rather outside of the IT and banking pack. We have the consumer and auto stocks, Hero MotoCorp up 2.5%, HUL, Britannia, both of them up around 1%, Metals have been, fairly well bid as well. So we have Nalco, SAIL, Vedanta. So individual pockets of the market doing extremely well, even though the broader markets are largely equal in favor of advances and declines. Now, what is it that the street is working with when it comes to expiry? Typically on the expiry, a straddle, which is a call and a put together, is sold. So 24,650 is the nearest straddle that we have right now. The call is trading at a premium of 57 rupees. The 24,650 put comes up for you. That too has a premium of almost 29-30 rupees. So net, they are playing for a premium of 75 rupees on the 24,650 call and put, which implies a range of 24,575 at the lower level and on the way up 24,725, which is closer to today's high as well. So that's the broad range that the street is working with. Expand that range and you have the 24,700 call for a premium of 30 rupees, so 24,730, and at the lower level the 24,600 put. That's the one that comes up for you as well. That has a premium of 12 rupees, again telling you closer to 24,600 is or closer to today's low is a very strong support that we're seeing for the market. 3 crore shares outstanding on that option as well. So the Nifty stays in this 150-point band and a lot of individual stocks fairly well bid.
All right. Thanks very much for that, Mangalam. That's on the F&O desk. That's the update from the F&O space. But we do have Rachna Vaidya who joins in to